I can't stop thinking about my debt. It's eating me alive.
I can see it stressing you out. Have you been able to sleep at all?
Barely. Every time I close my eyes, all I can think about is how much I owe and how I'm going to pay it back.
I know it feels overwhelming, but have you tried breaking it down into smaller steps?
I have, but it still feels like I'm drowning. Even the minimum payments are too much some months.
That sounds tough. Have you thought about reaching out to a financial advisor?
I did, but their fees are high, and honestly, I can't afford another expense right now.
Maybe there are free resources or non-profit organizations that can help.
I've looked into a few, but I haven't had the energy to really dig into it. It's all so overwhelming.
I get that. Debt can feel like a never-ending spiral. Do you have a budget you're following?
Sort of. I tried making one, but then unexpected expenses come up, and it throws everything off.
Maybe you could try tracking every single expense for a month. It might help you spot where you can cut back.
I know I need to, but it feels like I'm sacrificing everything already. There's not much left to cut.
That's rough, but even small changes might help, like reducing takeout or finding a side gig.
I've thought about side gigs, but my full-time job already drains me. I'm just so tired all the time.
I understand. It's not just the physical exhaustion, it's the mental load too, isn't it?
Exactly. It's like I can't escape it, no matter what I do. The calls from creditors don't help either.
Those calls are the worst. Have you tried negotiating with them for lower payments or interest rates?
I'm scared to even pick up the phone. What if they make things worse?
It's worth a try. Sometimes they're willing to work with you if they see you're trying.
Maybe. I just hate admitting how bad things have gotten.
There's no shame in it. So many people are struggling with debt. You're not alone.
Thanks, Maya. That helps a little, knowing I'm not the only one dealing with this.
You're definitely not. And remember, it's not forever. You'll get through it, one step at a time.
I hope so. It just feels endless right now.
It's okay to feel that way, but don't give up. Progress is slow, but it's still progress.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe I'll start by looking into those free resources you mentioned.
That's a great idea. And if you need help, I'm here. We can look into it together.
Thanks, Maya. It means a lot to have someone to talk to about this.
Of course, don't forget to take care of yourself too. Even a short walk can help clear your mind.
I'll try that. I need to do something before this stress eats me alive.
You're stronger than you think. You've got this.
Thanks. I don't feel strong right now, but I'm going to try.
You know, it feels like you barely pay attention to me these days.
What? That's not true. I always make time for you.
Really? Because lately, it seems like your phone gets more of your attention than I do.
Come on, you know work has been crazy. I'm just trying to keep up.
I get that you're busy, but is it too much to ask for some quality time together?
We just went out last weekend, didn't that count?
Going out isn't the same when you're glued to your emails the whole time.
I wasn't on my phone the whole time. That's an exaggeration.
You checked it at least 5 times during dinner. How is that not a problem?
Okay, maybe I did, but I wasn't trying to ignore you. I had deadlines.
It's not just about that night. It's been happening a lot. I feel like I'm not a priority anymore.
That's not fair. You're a priority to me.
Then why'd I feel so invisible? I want us to be connected, not just physically there.
I'm doing my best here. Why can't you understand that?
Because your best doesn't feel like enough lately. I need more from you.
What exactly do you want me to do? Quit my job?
No, I just want you to show that you care, without me having to beg for it.
I do care, Anna. I wouldn't be doing all this if I didn't.
Caring isn't just about providing or being busy, it's about being present.
So what? You want me to ditch everything and sit with you 24/7?
That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that when we're together, be with me, not your phone.
Fine. I'll try to stay off my phone more. Is that enough?
It's a start, but it's not just about the phone. It's about showing interest in me, in us.
I thought I was. What more do you want?
Ask me about my day, listen when I talk, plan something for us without me having to suggest it.
I didn't realize you felt this way. Why didn't you tell me earlier?
I have. You just didn't seem to hear it until now.
Maybe I've been too caught up in everything else. I'm sorry if I made you feel that way.
I appreciate that, but I need actions, not just words. Show me you're committed.
Okay. I'll start making more effort. Can we work on this together?
Of course. I just want us to be better for each other.
I do too, Anna. I'll prove it to you.
Can you drop me off at home after the meeting?
Of course. I don't mind. Is your place far from here?
Not really, it's about 15 minutes away, depending on traffic.
All right, no problem. Are you in a rush, or can we grab some food on the way?
I don't mind. That actually sounds nice.
Great. I know a place that's right on the way. You'll love it.
Perfect. By the way, thanks for doing this. I was worried about getting an Uber this late.
Don't worry about it. I'm glad to help. It's not out of my way at all.
Still, I appreciate it. Do you always stay this late at work?
Not always, but this project has been keeping me busy lately. What about you?
Same here. It feels like deadlines just keep piling up.
Tell me about it. I don't even remember the last time I had a free weekend.
That's rough. At least the holidays are coming up. Any plans?
Not really. Probably just catching up on sleep and binge watching something.
Pretty much the same. Maybe visit my parents if I can get some time off.
Sounds nice. Do they live nearby?
About an hour away. I try to visit when I can, but work makes it hard.
I get that. Balancing work and personal life is such a challenge.
It really is. But hey, at least we're getting through it, right?
Absolutely. Small victories every day.
Exactly. Oh, by the way, is there enough room in your car for my bag?
Yeah, totally. Just toss it in the backseat when we head out.
Thanks. I swear this bag feels heavier every day.
That's probably all the stress you're carrying around.
You're not wrong. I need a vacation so badly.
We all do. Maybe next year will be better.
Let's hope so. Anyway, what time do you usually leave work?
Around 7, but I can adjust depending on what's happening. How about you?
Same here. It's usually just too hectic to leave any earlier.
True. Hey, are you ready to head out now?
Yeah, I'm all set. Let me grab my stuff real quick.
Cool. I'll meet you by the elevator.
Sounds good. And seriously, thanks again for the ride.
Anytime. Let's get you home safe.
You're the best. Let's go.
Please subscribe and see you soon.